Send smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.
Greetings out to everybody. Across the world. Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
GATW starts now.
Hi, this is Kayan from Birmingham. Sending greetings to all my loved ones for the Christmas season. Big up Mama Tiny. Truly Wagwan. Big up to all the Francis family and the dear family down at St. T. You know, you don't know all the big brothers and sisters. One love. I think I love Christmas because I think it's the season, it's something about the year, the atmosphere, the love you feel from others. I think it's the only time people express love naturally, not forced. Maybe that's why I love Christmas, but I think Christmas is for the kids, you know? And even though I'm old, I feel like a kid again. Yeah, getting my first little dolly, you know? Different from the stick dolly where we used to. My personal little China dolly. Yeah, that's why I love Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. One love.
Okay, good morning. My name is Lyndon Bennett. I live in Georgia. I would just like to send greetings to my kids. I'm in Clarendon, Tollgate, Marsha, the bigger one, Marsha, Venetia, Sheldon, Gabby. That's my 4 kids. Well, I would like to send greetings, Merry Christmas for the Christmas when it comes. And I hope you enjoy yourself. I hear that, you know, the hurricane passed, but not so bad in Clarendon. But I wish you enjoy yourself until everything over, right? Sean, our daughter named Lai, our son Teddy, Hall. Enjoy the Christmas and enjoy yourself. So I'm good, and I still feeling good to know that I could say something towards my kids and family at home. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. You hear?
I'm Barbara from London, sending greetings to my children, Jacqueline, Sophia, Karen, Gary, Tanya, and all my grandchildren and all my great-grand, and all my church sisters and church brothers from the Orange Bay SDA Church, and all the nurses and doctors from the Anota Bay Hospital, and to all the Burton's family, especially my brothers and my sister, and to all the shopkeepers in Orange Bay, and to all the fishermen, especially my cousin Boy Brown, and to my friend Miss Yuna in Kingston, and Sister Paula, mother. Merry Christmas to all the children and friends and family from Miss Johnson family in England. May you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. When I'm in Jamaica and it comes to Christmas, our grandmother always told us to set stocking foot, and when we wake up in the morning, it's full. So it was 3 of us, and we said, "Where is Santa?" We sleep too much, that's why we didn't see Santa. The other Christmas, I sleep in the day. I said to the 2 sisters, sleep, they wouldn't sleep. And I see her, you know, when she tip her toe and she pull the 3 stocking foot. And I said, "Santa?" And when I wake the other 2 sisters, they wouldn't wake in the morning and say, "I see Santa, where's Santa?" I said, "See her in the kitchen there." The grandmother said, "Nothing more before you sleep, but you're watching to see Santa." We never, the sister then give me a beat, you see? We never get nothing more from her. Merry Christmas to everyone in Jamaica and Happy New Year.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody. Hello, we are saying it out digitally. To friends and to we family.
Send Smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.